Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to be doing a strainer pour on a Lazy Susan. It has been a while since I've done one of these, and I'm going to do a combination of a dirty pour and a clean pour. So for those who don't know, a dirty pour is just when you put the paint in your cup first and then pour it out. A clean pour is when you just pour the colors individually. I have some leftover paint here. When I do pours, you're going to have a little bit left over in your cup. I put those on top of each other like this, let them drain in, and then I get this awesome leftover paint. So I'm going to go ahead and start with that. That way this paint will go on the outside. And then I'm going to add in some additional paint. I have just a little more left over here as well. I definitely do my best to never waste paint. All right, so now for the clean, I'm gonna go ahead and just put the colors individually in here. So that's white. This is my custom green. I've been in kind of in a green mood recently. And these, it's just slowly draining out here. Some yellow. This is just my primary yellow. I'm going to add some navy blue. And navy blue or Payne's gray, those are really great substitutes for black. I call that color deep sea. And a little more white here. Then I think I'm just going to circle back through some of those colors. I actually want to add in a little purple as well. All right, I'm going to go ahead and let this actually drain for a few minutes. While it does that, I'm going to add a little bit of paint around the sides here to help when I start spinning. So here we go. This is pretty well drained out at this point. I'm going to go ahead and just slowly lift it up. Let it drain the rest of the way. Nice. Okay. Now the cool thing about doing this on a Lazy Susan is that that helps maintain this pattern. So if we start tilting at this point, we'll probably lose it. But when we spin it, it just spreads that pattern out. You can spin it fast or slow. I don't remember if I said this earlier, but I attach the canvas to my Lazy Susan with just double-sided tape. And then you'll want to make sure that that Lazy Susan isn't going to move from your surface. This is a silicone mat, which luckily things stick quite well to, so it doesn't tend to fly around. Now I'm going to go ahead and spin this a whole bunch. You can spin in any direction. It doesn't particularly matter, not that I've found at least. I'm going to spin quite a few times and kind of slowly. I'm not flinging the paint here, so I'll go ahead and speed this part up. Right, I am almost there. I just want to spin it out a little bit more, get rid of a little more of this darkness and get rid of this white corner. I am going to actually see if I can fix this tape situation, so I will be right back. I put a bit more on. We'll see if that holds. Spin it a few more times. All right, that held okay. So I'm gonna call it at this. Now I was using leftover paint, so maybe not the best paint color combination here. And you can see, actually, if you look in the middle here, you can really see, and a little bit on the edges, the difference between the dirty pour and the clean pour. So I think this would be great as a dirty pour, and I will do another one coming up soon where it's just the dirty pour. But I think this is so fun, and you can see how when you just spin it, the design just moves out. So you're not stretching it, you're not distorting it. So this can be a great technique if you want to keep whatever design you have. So I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, bringing you in for a close-up here. So for me, this looks like a really funky flower. Or maybe, I don't know. It's interesting. It's definitely not quite what I had in mind, but I put maybe a bit too much white in there. Still super fun, and I actually love this. And I cannot wait to do this again as just a dirty pour. So I think that will come out amazing. But there you guys go. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I will see you all next time.